Hey guys, welcome to the Testing Academy and welcome to the Jenkins Mastery for Software Testers. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to basically configure the Slack notification on Jenkins. Okay, so suppose you have a particular build, there is a particular result for it. It can be passed, it can fail, right? And you have to send the details to this as a Slack notification, right? To probably a private group or your public group, anywhere, right? That you want to know. So how you can do that in this video, we're going to discuss about it. All right, so let's get started. Awesome. So let me make myself a little small. So why we need Slack notification? I think this is very self-explanatory, right? You need if you want to report something, it can be a message pass, message fetch, build started, right? Build post, build failed, or anything related to it, right? If you want to basically give this notification in any form, right? In the Slack itself, so that you can do that by using you can send the customized reports, you can attach a log, also you can basically share the link of the Jenkins where the build is failed or pass, anything related to it. Okay, so in this demo I have basically created a free Slack channel which is a SDET club, right? And we will be using it. I'm going to show you like how you can configure it. Okay, so let's jump to the Jenkins. Let me make myself smaller. Okay, awesome. The first thing you need to install is, I think, give me 1 second. I'll just log in to my Jenkins. Awesome. So first thing first, you need to install one plugin. Uh, Let me show you which plugin we basically are talking about. So just Google the Slack notification Jenkins plugin. So Slack notification Jenkins plugin, and here you will see this plugin that you need to install. And I think I have talked about like how you can install the plugin many, like I mean number of time. You just need to basically go to your Manage Jenkins. Okay, let's go to Manage Jenkins. Go to Manage Plugins, and here go to Available, and you can search this plugin. So basically the name of the plugin is Slack notification, right? Right. So you just need to search Slack. So what you need is you just need to install the Slack plugin, right? So I have installed it. As you can see, it's available on the install tab. But if you are new, if you haven't installed it, it will be available on the available tab, right? Here you need to basically search the Slack and you will see the option to install it without restart, right? I think that we have already discussed, right? So how do you test this, right? This is very important. So you have to go to Manage Jenkins again, uh, go to the configure system, right? Goes down and you will see the workspace now, where the Slack option will be available, right? So now what will happen is what you want is, suppose I have a Slack group, and here as you can see I have already tested it. My results are coming, right? So this is where I want to add the notification. So this is SDET automation jobs, and this is my workspace name, right? So what I will do is, this is my link, right? I'll basically enter the workspace name and the token. So how do you get the token, which is very important, right? So to get the token, what you need is, you need to basically go to the Slack setting. Okay, and here if you go to advanced, right? And basically let me show you how you can get the token. So if you go to your SDET club Slack, right? If you log in with it, and I think that link is also available if you do go to the official website here. Just go to the official website, Slack notification Jenkins plugin, open this link, and here this link, which is my dot service and Jenkins CIDT, right? If you open it, right, you will see, and if you are logged in with the correct username and password, you will see all the you can add the Jenkins integration into the channel, Okay, so here I can say I need to add this to SDET automation job, right? And click on add. You can create a new channel for notification separately also that we have done. And here it's basically telling you to install the plugin and enter the token. Okay, and how you can add the token here. And after in the post bill, you have to just need to take everything, right? So similar thing we will be doing it. So basically now we have added our workspace name, which is SDET club. This is the token that I have already added. Just click on add, click on Jenkins. Here you just need to do a secret file and enter your token secret and your ID. That's it. So I have added it, and this is the channel name where I want the notification. Okay, and here you can do a test notification. It basically says success, and if you see, we have a new message which is like Jekyll plugins. You are set to go, and it is giving us a link. Okay, now to add the how we have to add this to the uh, any kind of a job, right? Which is very easy. Suppose this is the Selenium Maven project that we are running, right? Go to configuration, and this will be your post build action, right? Because after the build, you want to send the notification. Here, go to post build action and click on this add build post build action, right? If you will see Slack notification. When you add this, you can basically take everything that whenever it starts about anything where happens, and you can go to advanced also, where you can basically change couple of things, right? Notify first failure, repeated, and other things, right? So I have added it successfully. Now suppose I'm running it, right? And let's see how this happens. So this is my Slack, which will give me the notification, right? So it's basically saying that started by user, right? So 92 number build is started now. And after that, it will give me that, okay, it's still failing. And you see, I have added a custom message also, right? So how you can do that also, it's very simple. You can install one more plugin, which is called as, let me go to installed. I'll just show you which plugin I'm talking about. Its name is global Slack notification plugin, right? And when you do that, you can basically modify the messages, right? You have to go to configure system again, and here just search the global uh, thing, and yeah, here you can see you can customize the failure messages, success messages, and any other messages that you want to see. So you can basically customize according to the need, and there are Jenkins variable available. You can basically input there also. Okay, so if you want to add the failure number, failure count, or anything related to it, you can basically add in the global messages, and you can basically add a separate messages also by changing the configuration. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. And this was a quick uh, view about the Slack notification, and I hope this is clear now. And thanks a lot for watching till now. I'll see you in the next video. I hope this is clear how to add Slack notification and change your global Slack notification also to a particular group. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.